Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the new Realme TVS4. So let's begin here immediately with unboxing. You can see we have the package in front of us, very good theme and good colors. We can see the Realme package and we have the earphones itself and the back. We have Bluetooth 5.1, more than 120 hours of standby. We have talk time more than 3 hours, song time 2.5 or 3 hours, charging time 1 hour, and distance 10 meters. So these are the specs of the Realme. Let's go ahead and unbox it. You can see the package is good enough. And in the package we will find here the case for the earphones itself. You can see it's very big and you can see through the cap, which is not usual. Usually we have a cap that covers it all, and we have the button to see how many battery do we have left. You can see when you click the LEDs, it will light up. This is a very good feature that I have to mention. Up we saw the earphones itself. You can see we have left and right, and we have in the Realme the rubber piece that goes around your ear so these don't fall out. Also we have one cable to charge it, which is very simple and short. So now we have to connect with Android. You can see we have here press new device and the earphones are connected with each other. As you can see, TVS, we have the name for the Realme. It doesn't say Realme, which is a little bit confusing, so you have to go with TVS. Now it's connected, we have 100% of battery and we are ready to use. Is that easy to connect? Let's try one of the songs that we have here in the YouTube. It took me a little bit to put these on. We have press once to play or pause, press twice to call the last person. So in the Realme we have a different option. Let's see that again. You can see it calls the last person immediately. And press 3 times for Google Assistant. We don't have the changing song or volume, not like that. We have twice to call the last person you called. Same with the left one, press once to play or pause, twice to call, and 3 times to change for Google Assistant. So now at the iOS we have to go into the settings. At the bottom we have other devices. You can see it's searching for our Realme TVS. And let's see, iOS is taking a little bit longer than Android. Let's try that one more time. As you can see, in iOS we have a little bit difficulties. It's not finding our TVS, which is a little bit weird. The earphones are connected with each other, ready to use, but are not appearing in the iOS. So usually it takes one press and or one search and it will find it. You can see for us in iOS it took 3 times. So just be patient. If it doesn't appear in your phone, search a couple of times. Let's try here some of the songs here that we have. Volume all the way. The sound is good. I've heard better, and for myself I don't like this earpiece that goes around your inner ear. You saw in the unbox video we had that piece, rubber piece that goes and hold it. It's a little bit annoying. And if you wear these for a long time, maybe more than an hour or two, my ear, it will start to hurt. I can feel it, but in case it doesn't bother you, you can go ahead and see the feedbacks, what other has to say. I'm just telling my opinion. You can see in the iOS as well, it works with one tap to pause, but it won't play them back, which is a little bit weird again. We have double tap. It doesn't call the last person. It activates the voice control in iOS. So we have different options in iOS than we have in the Android. And this is it. We have the same options in the left one. And again, it activates the Siri in iOS, and we didn't see that in Android. So let's go ahead now and try to connect these with our laptop. Let's see if it will connect and if we can use these while we are working or doing anything in our PC. Add the Bluetooth in settings, search it and see how to connect them. Turn the Bluetooth on, as you can see right now, and you can see the TWS now found in our PC, and with just one click it will connect, which is very good and easy way to connect them. Let's go ahead on the YouTube and try this music. Again, the sound is same as in the phone. Personally, I had better earphones that we unboxed before. These are not my top ones for sure. Maybe for someone these are good, so this is my opinion on them on the Realme TWS4. And this was it, guys, for today. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting and helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel.